Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial on ANSYS, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to use a solid model and convert it into a planar surface model. So for this video I'm going to use my previous L-shaped extrusion, and I'm going to convert that model into planar surface model. So I'll quickly go to File, Open, and I'll locate my file, L-shaped extrusion. I will keep the link for this tutorial which I did for L-shaped extrusion in the description, so you can check that. Now this is the file, so just quickly double click on the geometry. It will open the design modeler, and after that I'll check the okay, so no problem. So just select the sketch and go to concept, select surface from sketches. So for thickness just give 1, and go for generate. So our surface is done. Now just select the extrude and delete this thing. So this is basically your surface, which is created from the solid model. I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much, and peace.